Hi friends, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna visit o Parque Horto Florestal. This park was created by Decree 335 on February 10 of 1896. It was created by the initiative of the Swedish botanist Albert Löfgren. For this reason, it's named after him. This park is really beautiful because it has so many lakes and also trees that gives the place a really chill vibe. People come here especially to make sports, especially jogging, and it has really cool animals like these guys, for example. This place is really big, with an area of 187 hectares, 35 of which are for public use. Its perimeter is 47,875 meters long. Well, friends, thank you for sharing with me this adventure, and see you next time on the next adventure. Bye bye.